So in this very quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can apply the motion blur effects on the videos of a Davinci Resolve. It's a very convenient and most demanding feature. So all you need to do is to just simply import the media files to the timeline of Davinci Resolve, and just all you need to do is on this effect panel, you need to expand this open effects panel, and here you can see this option of filters. Just simply select this one. Now here you need to search for this effect called the motion blur. You can see if I write motion over there, you can see there's a motion blur effect. Now if I drag and drop this effect to the video which I want to apply the effect, you can see the effect has been applied. I can make changes to the values of the particular effect as well, so that it will be more convenient or the more appealing for my video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.